Hello, everyone. This is customized by our Keshang Hydraulic production. A 630 tons of steel scrap baling press. The machine is packing up the scrap steel bar. Let's introduce this Y81-630 horizontal baler. The material box size of our baler is 3,035,001,300 millimeters. The size of this bag is 700 by 700 millimeters. The density of this mass is greater than or equal to 2.3 T. Our packing machine is a high-density packing machine. Like steel bars, you can beat even thick materials. Very easy to hit out a package block. It is equipped with 4x45 kilowatt synchronous motor. More energy efficient, can save more than 30% of electricity. Our hydraulic system is also complete. Domestic first-line brand customized hydraulic system. There is a need to understand this packaging press? You can contact us.